Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link your PayPal to a land bank account. First, log into your PayPal account using either the website or the mobile app. Once logged in, locate the Wallet section, which is where you manage your payment methods. From there, you will find an option to link a new bank account. This initial step is crucial for setting up your financial connection. Next, you will need to provide your land bank account details. Select Land Bank of the Philippines from the available bank options. It is important to accurately input your 10-digit land bank savings account number. A critical step is ensuring the name on your PayPal account precisely matches the name on your land bank account to avoid any transfer issues. Remember, the land bank bank code is 010350025. After entering your bank details, PayPal requires verification to enable withdrawals. You might be prompted to verify instantly by logging into your bank account through PayPal. Alternatively, PayPal will send 2 small, random deposits, typically less than 1 peso, to your land bank account within 3 business days. You will then need to enter these exact amounts back into your PayPal account to complete the verification process. Once your land bank account is linked and verified, you can easily withdraw funds. Navigate to your PayPal wallet and select Transfer Money. Choose your land bank account as the destination and enter the desired amount. Standard transfers typically complete within 3 to 5 business days. Please note, a fee of 50 pesos is charged for withdrawals under 7,000 pesos. Amounts above this are usually free of charge.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.